Do you like Gundam? Do you like t-shirts? Do you have a creative eye and an urge to express yourself? My name is ZakuAurelius, and I'm here today to talk to you guys about my latest t-shirt designing contest. That's right, I've paired up with the folks at USA Gundam Store, and we're asking you guys to design a t-shirt that is a crossover design, ZakuAurelius, USA Gundam Store, all-in-one design. You guys made it, and you're gonna be rewarded for it. So here's everything you need to know. First of all, the deadline is April 30th, giving you just more than 1 month to enter. Second thing, only one design per person, no double dipping. You're only allowed to enter one final design. And remember, we're talking only front design, no back design, no sleeve design. Also remember, no hand-drawn pencil and paper entries. I am gonna need a digital file designed on the computer using whatever application you want. That's gonna be submitted to me at my email, zakuaureliusofficial@gmail.com. That's down below. Here's the exact specifications that I am gonna need for that file. It has to be a .png file, it has to be 300 dpi, and it has to be no larger than 12 inches by 16 inches. And other than that, guys, that's pretty much it. Have fun and enjoy designing something cool for me and USA Gundam Store to share. Afterwards, of course, the shirt will be for sale on my online store. So what we're gonna do is pick 2 winners. Each of those 2 winners will get a $75 coupon to USA Gundam Store. You can use that on whatever you want there on their site. Kits, tools, whatever they've got. And then of course you'll also win a free t-shirt. It can be of the t-shirt that you designed or a different t-shirt from my shop. It's up to you. So once again, the deadline, April 30th. All the specs are down below. Make sure you check all that out and submit your entry. Shortly after April 30th, I'll make a video announcing the winner, and at that time I'll also show all the entries so you guys will be able to see a montage of everyone's designs in that video. And one last thing, guys, don't forget that the mail giveaway is also still going on. You have until April 20th to get any mail to me. That gives you just about 3 weeks left. There should be plenty of time if you hurry and send something right away. It should have no problem getting here. Once again, the prizes for that, I'm going to draw 2 random winners of the people who ever send me any kind of mail, and those people will get to choose between one of 4 HG kits: the HG Actizaku, the HG H2 Magna, the HG Striker GNX, and the HG Blue Destiny Unit 3. So if you want a chance at winning one of those high-grade kits, just drop something in the mail, a postcard, letter, whatever you want. Send it to the address that is also down in the description below, and I'll draw that shortly after April 20th. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. If you have any questions, leave those down below. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Hey! Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, if you want to check the kit out for yourself, you can head over to USA Gundam Store. Use that coupon code ZakuAurelius10. Save yourself 10%. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Bye-bye.